Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Dracula surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our vampire surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners of my paper, giving it a nice fold right down the middle there. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's draw a little bat. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up. I'm going to put a couple little points at the top. And then I'm going to draw a line that curves down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a big circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another big circle for an eye. I'll put a black dot inside each one for the pupil. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down and then across for a nose. Then I'll put two little lines in here for the inside. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then down and up for the mouth. And then I'll put two little bumps on here for the teeth. I'll draw a little line across the top for some eyebrows. And then for the ears, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. Same thing here, I'm going to go out and then down. I want to make a curve and then bring it up. Then I'll make a curve and then bring it up. Then I'll put two little curves here and two little curves here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down to the fold. And then same thing here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down to the fold. I'm going to bring this line in, and then I'll bring this line in. I want to curve this up and down, and then up and down here. And same thing here, we're going to curve up and down, and then up and down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Then I want to take this line all the way down here. Same thing here, we're going to take this line all the way down here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open it up, we have two halves of our bat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve it around, and I'm going to bring it down right to here. Then I'm going to bring this line across. Starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. Then inside of here, I'm going to make a nice big circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for like a reflection inside the pupil. I'm going to draw a little curved line for a nose, a line across for a mouth, and then I'm going to go down and up here. We'll make a sad face for the tongue, and two little points for some fangs. starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the hair. And then we'll go up and down like this. I'll make a little colored in line on each side for the eyebrows. Right here, I want to make a line that's going to go up and down for an ear. And same thing here, up and down. Then I'll put a little curve inside each one for some detail. Now let's work on the body. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. And then another line that curves down here. I'm going to bring this line up and then down. And then I'm going to draw two lines that come down here for the legs. Let's go out. We'll come across and then back up. You don't want to go past that little fold there. We'll make a line across and a line down. And then we'll draw another line across for the pants. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little smiley face. Then a line that's going to come down and up, down and up. Same thing here, down and up, down and up. I'll make a long line down. And then I'll put some little dots on there for some buttons. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side for the arms. I'm going to go down and then bring it back. Same thing here, just go down and bring it back. I'll make a line here and a line here for the sleeves. Then I'm going to curve a little line around for a thumb. Do the same thing here, just kind of curve this line around for a thumb. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to curve it down to connect to the cape. So we're going to turn this into a cape. So we're just going to come up and connect it down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up here. Now, the next step is I want to finish off our bat. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down. I'm going to go up and down, and then up and down. And then same thing here, just up and down, and then up and down. I'm going to bring this line down, and this line down. And then I'm just going to make a couple little points right on here for a little bit of detail on our bat. And there you go, there is your little vampire surprise fold. When I have it all folded up, it looks like we just have a little bat. And then when I open it up, we can see that we have a vampire or Dracula coming out of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.